In this video, you'll learn how to create promotional content quickly using Higgsfield AI. By following these steps, you will be able to generate engaging videos efficiently without needing extensive tools or skills. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Once there, look for the section labeled AI TikTok Video Generator, which is designed to help you create viral content. You can recognize this section by its distinctive layout and visuals, which highlight the capabilities of the platform. Next, locate and click on the option that states Turn Ideas into Viral Videos in Minutes, no complex tools or skills needed. This button is typically prominent on the page and will initiate the content creation process. After you click it, the interface will update, presenting you with various content generation options. Once this appears, select the YouTube option to indicate the type of video content you wish to create. This choice is crucial as it helps tailor the tools and presets available for your video. The screen will refresh to show additional settings relevant to YouTube video creation. After that, find and click on Visuals and Sound. This section allows you to customize the audio and visual elements of your project. You should see options related to sound and visual styles after making this selection. Now click on Settings to configure the parameters for your video project. This step is important for adjusting elements such as video duration and resolution. A new menu will appear, allowing you to make necessary adjustments before proceeding. Once you've configured the settings, click on Product to specify the type of product you are promoting. This selection helps in aligning the promotional content with the intended audience. The interface will show you various product categories to choose from. Next, choose an image that represents your product effectively. This image will serve as a visual anchor for your promotional content. After selecting the image, click on Open to upload it. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this upload may take a moment. After the image is uploaded, click on Preset to explore the available templates for your video. Presets help streamline the design process, providing you with predefined styles that can enhance your video's appeal. A list of available presets will be displayed on the screen. Then click on All Presets to view the complete collection of templates. This selection will provide you with a broader range of options to choose from, ensuring that you find one that fits your promotional needs. Next, click on Product Ads to focus on templates specifically designed for advertising products. This action will filter the options, showcasing only those presets that are most suitable for product promotion. Now choose a preset that aligns well with your promotional goals. After selecting, you will see a preview of how your video will look with the chosen template. This visual feedback is essential for ensuring your content meets your expectations. Finally, click on Generate to create your promotional video. This action will initiate the rendering process, which may take some time depending on the complexity of your project and your internet speed. A progress indicator will appear, allowing you to monitor the generation status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.